to the Zen Elephant, where we talk about all things Zen. Today I'm sharing with you another one of my Hape ceremonies that I do every morning for meditation with some added sound bowls. If you're not familiar with what Hape medicine is, it is an ancient shamanic snuff used to ground and align your entire being, open and expand your third eye. And this specific blend is called Feminine Force, created by the Yawanawa shamans. And this blend is amazing for centering yourself in that divine feminine goddess energy. It is very powerful, and I get the most amazing meditations from this. It's very deep, very profound, and just an amazing experience. So yeah, enjoy, you guys. Today's entire today's entire meditation was focused on the solar plexus chakra as well as the third eye. So I really wanted to balance that creative energy along with increasing your intuition, because I feel like the two both go hand in hand. So let me know if you enjoyed that, and also let me know if you'd be interested in having your own Hape ceremony, because it does allow for such a beautiful, deep meditation. And I hope that you guys have an amazing day. My voice. Thank you for taking the time out just to even watch this and to spiritually be here with me while I just play the sound bowls for you guys. Yeah, stay blessed and have a beautiful day.